Paramshanti. Today, we explore a powerful key to inner healing: forgiveness, the path that leads to Paramshanti, supreme peace. Forgiveness is not forgetting, it is remembering without pain. It is not weakness, but strength, a liberation of your soul from the prison of anger and hurt. Holding on to past wounds only blocks the flow of peace. Every grudge, every resentment is a weight on your soul. Forgiveness lifts that weight, allowing Paramshanti to enter. Forgive others, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. And forgive yourself. You too are learning. You too are healing. Close your eyes. Think of someone you hold resentment toward. Now say in your heart, I forgive you. I set you free. And I set myself free. Feel the shift. That is Param Shanti. Before you sleep each night, ask, whom do I need to forgive today? And where do I need to forgive myself? One small act of forgiveness each day brings great peace. I forgive. I release. I am peace. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param
बेहद
Shanti.
की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो